We're gonna teach you how to make crepes. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients you need.
Oh, and don't forget sugar too. Add 3 room temperature eggs. Add 1.5 cups of milk. Add it to the mixing bowl. Add a tablespoon of sugar. Whisk it until combined. Add sea salt, just a pinch. Add a cup of flour through a flour sieve. Whisk it together. Add a little bit at a time to not get clumps. Add oil, just a little bit, and whisk it together. Add butter so the crepes would not stick on the pan. Flip it over. If you have a mistake, it's okay. Just try again and you'll make it. Enjoy!